Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you looking for an easy guide to clear your print queue? Doing this will fix a lot of printer issues. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the numbers displayed. If you're sticking with the video, follow my instructions to clear pending print jobs in minutes. So let's get started. On your desktop, click on the search bar. Search for and open printers and scanners. On the Bluetooth devices, click on your printer for which you want to cancel the print jobs. If you find the steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing other printer issues, please let us know in the comments section. On the next window, click on the Open Print Queue. In the Print Queue window, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Select the Cancel All option. In the little pop-up, select Yes. Note, I recommend you restart the computer after clearing pending print jobs. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.